Well, cab 1, cab 2, this is some sketchy ass shit. But this cab is gonna flip and it's gonna be great. And then I have a drivetrain to put on this shit box and we'll be wonderful. Well guys, update on the cab swap. This one's completely off. This one's coming around. What I managed to do is when I pulled this one off, I took and dragged it around and pulled it over there for right now. And we'll be pulling some parts out of that one. But other than that, this one's ready to go on and we're all good. Okay, here's the current situation. This thing doesn't have 4-wheel drive, so it's in 2-wheel drive. Stendo cab schlong box. This thing, we're getting kicked up. Cab is up. I'm gonna use this so I have enough strap so I can pull it. And then from there, we will go and we will get the cab on from there. Very sketchy, but this is a new unit, pretty good. Nice and pretty clean, pretty straight. A little bit of rust, but not too bad. Get this one on, and then we'll get this frame out of here, and hopefully we'll be all good. Update guys with the dog's plan. So, use the Jeep and the truck to get it to here. Now what I'm gonna do is I gotta go buy another strap, but I'm gonna pick out the cab, and then I'm gonna tie another strap to right there and pull the cherry picker back, and that way I'll be up over everything and it shouldn't flip over on the cherry picker. We'll see how the theory works. It's a little sketchy, but that one's gone, this one's going in.